y'all, Rachel here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you these new colander sets that I got. So each set of colanders comes with the colander and then a serving bowl, which is awesome because they stack right into each other. And so there are two sizes, two sets, and the other cool thing is, bam, it saves space. They stack right into each other. So there are a variety of colors. I got the gray. And then they also come with a set of 5 different sponges. All in all, I think these are a great item for your home. I love that they stack and they're space saving. Additionally, they feel really durable and like they won't crack, like they'll make it through long-term usage. They're food grade material, which is actually the best part because that means they're BPA free and dishwasher safe. So I definitely recommend these and know that you'll love them. Have a good one. Bye.